CCTV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka acik dedicated integrity leader ha kasantarik ujamang arjar punrio. Kala mi syakmat ban pensai baki pad garu kimshim lakam traya ka Hatsigimari. Namar ba kadang day ka bahab siya uput usam Jong ka jala Assam. Bad ha kajuk kupor kala kentoru ba ka jingkang ka All Assam Minority Students Union. Ya ki kali kitmar siya rilong garu ya ka bala penbana ha ka arpusantarik uyayong arjar punrio ka long ka bamsyong niya. Hak jingkran bat kilat pathai kubur u chairman Jong ka acik dedicated integrity leaders u Francis C. Marak u laong baki garu kimdan satya ka jingyakan ad bannu lani bat ki jaj banrio Assamese. U laong ru baka Hatsigimari kadang day ka Bynta Jong ka Assam bat kam day satya ka Nongkynti Jong ki Mynder Bangladeshi Muslim kumbaki lakam try.
Francis C. Marak, I am the president of Acik Dedicated Integrity Leaders, what we call Adil, from Garo Hills region. Today we are here to condemn the protest and the statement given by AMSU regarding the supply of essential goods to Garo Hills. The All Assam Minority Students Union, AMSU, of Hatsigimari, Assam, has announced a protest and the road blockage on 25th April 2025. Targeting the supply of essential goods and commodities to Garo Hills, Meghalaya. We, the indigenous people of Garo Hills, wish to state unequivocally that we have no involvement in any communal dispute on communal grounds. However, we are prepared to face any form of retaliation, fully aware of the potential impact such action may cause. We firmly believe that Hatsigimari of Assam is not the guardian of Meghalaya. Our relation with our Assamese Hindu brothers and sisters remains strong. We acknowledge their continued support for the people of Garo Hills. The Government of India is our sole protector and a supply of essential goods for our survival. Even if supplies from Hatsigimari of Assam are disrupted, Garo Hills has multiple alternative routes to access commodities, including Tura to Garobada via Silsila Pulbari, Tura to Tikilkila via Pedalduba, Williamnagar to Dudnoi, Rongjeng via Mangsang, Atiabari to Boko, Guwahati, Tura via Dadengre to Pulbari, Bajingduba via Agyar to Golpara, Bongaigaon. Additionally, we have even train connection to Garo Hills to other states. These routes ensure that our people can sustain themselves and maintain trade with Assam and beyond. The relevance of AMSU to our lives. The threats of blockades do not affect our ability to sustain ourselves, as we have our own revenue sources and we can procure goods from elsewhere. However, they should recognize that to reach Hatsigimari from mainland Assam, one should travel through Meghalaya Garo Hills Road. Their actions appear self-defeating. The statement issued by AMSU does not make sense to the citizens of Meghalaya. Our government of Meghalaya and the central government of India are committed to ensure uninterrupted supply of goods to Garo Hills. If supplies from Hatsigimari, Assam are completely stopped, we are confident that our trade and business can be redirected towards other parts of Assam and central India. That Hatsigimari belongs to Assam and its Assamese Hindu community, not to immigrants, Bangladeshi, Muslims misrepresenting themselves. Distinction strengthens the position of the indigenous Garo people and highlights our rightful place within the Indian Union. Thank you. As of now, there is no such kind of incident or the tragedy had happened, but what we can see in the social media that they have fully shut down all the what called the wholesalers which are being transported or taken to Garo Hills. And we have got multiple sources. We are not scared of the blockades by the Hatsigimari AMSU statement or the protest or the blockades right now.
When is
It began from the 25th of April and it continues right now. And they are organizing to hold out like a plain belt area of Assam, beginning from the Mankasar, Hatsigimari, and even they have reached even the Krishnai, which is very close to the Garo Hills region, and what we get mainly from Krishnai.
Any action from the state government regarding this?
Till date, we have seen no action has been given or the statement has given by the state government of Meghalaya, and the Assam government has also not given due to the busy schedule. I think in the election, that is what we can see right now.
How do you see?
Till then, we have not written any letter to the authority regarding these essential commodities, like especially vegetables, what we get from the Hatsigimari. But we get from the other sources also. It's not the sole supplier of the vegetables from Hatsigimari alone. We are not. We are ready to face these challenges.
What about the livelihood of the people there? If the blockade is happening like this?
I think once the blockade is begun, Hatsigimari people is first one to suffer because they are having a vegetation farming, and if they are nowhere else to supply, it will be in the west. Garo Hills people, we are not scared. We can bring even from the other parts of Assam like Dudnai, and we have no enmity against the Hindu brothers like Assamese people, Rabas, Garo, Jong, anything. But this who themselves declare themselves that they belongs to AMSU. What we think is from the immigrants, Bangladeshis, they are.
No.
Regarding this statement given by this AMSU, first of all, it will retaliate. Actually, to travel to Hatsigimari from the mainland of Assam, they have to travel to the Meghalaya road. There is a Pulbari and what called the Tikilkila. Once we retaliate, once we block this road, there will be no other source to go or supply. They will be themselves having a conflict among themselves.
But before
We cannot say that we have got a conflict between the Assam and the Meghalaya, but we have got a conflict between the immigrant Bangladeshis and the Garo due to the participation in the GHDC election, in the last cancellation or the postponement of GHDC election, and now the election is still postponing. I urge the Assam government also to see or to not to act this way. It's very, very unfair. It's not the AMSU will suffer, but the people of the Hatsigimari will suffer first. We will ask the government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya to negotiate on this matter. We will be ready to send them even to Assam government, because just recently they are not even the forming government because of the election result. Yesterday they got the result. So now who will be the chief minister of Assam? We will be approaching him.
Lily, Pikalan.
Kanda pi tharai khanne ka bisa. Kali jona kane. Ba ka hospital te kala ajkai nang di.
Binti aswa hang ni hadu nda de por khamo.
Sister, Hap siyo kat no ma?
Ka sarkar kala siulut ikijing lut jing separo.
Namarman ka way pa ka way ka minsim ka long ka koridor.